I'm selling all my crypto. I can totally understand if this particular statement is pondering over all of your minds. Those retail investors who are heavily invested into crypto world, and especially those who are actually new to this asset class, who entered into this asset class thinking that they could hedge their portfolio against inflation or recession, and thinking that yes, Bitcoin has a limited supply, and since the supply is limited, the demand will be higher, and that would mean that yes, we would have a hedge against inflation or recession or any other macroeconomic situation which could crash the stock market. And we can see that it's not happening. And of course, you should be diversifying. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm no one to tell you what you should be doing. But in my opinion, you should be diversifying your asset class and putting your money into much more stable businesses as well, which personally I'm doing as well. And I'm also recommending the same to my Patreons as well. So anyways, now when I say that, I do understand that you might be thinking, or many people might be thinking, that it's time to sell crypto or I'm selling all of my crypto. I can totally understand, because officially, as the chart shows, which you can see on the screen, officially we have entered that bear market for crypto. Now, for those who are thinking, who are still thinking, who are still bullish on crypto in short term, again, I repeat myself, in short term, could be possibly wrong. Now, why I'm saying this and why I think that in short term crypto is going to crash further is because there are a lot of news surrounding crypto, which is actually creating this domino effect, and news after news after news, and we can see this link that one bad news is affecting the other crypto asset as well. And we can see that in the crypto world, Bitcoin being the gold of crypto has fallen down by 71% from its all-time highs in November, and Ethereum, which is the second largest cryptocurrency, has fallen by over 76% from its all-time highs of around $4,800. Now, in addition to that, the cryptocurrencies firms have also faced the wrath of the current macroeconomic situation. For example, the famous lender Celsius, Celsius network, it completely froze. It completely have gone silent after it froze all the withdrawals from its customers, and no one came out, literally no one came out of the firm, stepped out or released a press release to calm down the customers, to calm down the shareholders. Nothing like that. And then, like, we saw the stable sister tokens, Terra USD, Luna, they crashed when the Terra ecosystem collapsed, which caused a disappearance of approximately $55 billion, guys. And like I said, that all this stuff, it's creating a domino effect. Now, what happened? The Singapore based firm recently, the hedge fund, one of the biggest hedge funds in the space of crypto, Three Arrows Capital, defaulted on a loan of $670 million. And Terra Luna crash actually played a really important role for this default, because they have invested around $200 million in Terra Luna, which was actually taken as a loan because of the interest rates which they were getting. So basically what Three Arrows Capital was doing was that it was collecting and collecting and collecting the debt to invest into such tokens, to just first of all pay back the interest on these loans, and then of course to grow their assets and get a decent return. But it backfired them. And like I said, one news is affecting the other. So what this did was that this affected Voyager Digital and BlockFi, because they lent a large amount of money to Three Arrows Capital. And then, of course, to save everyone, now who is also considered as the hero of the crypto world came out, who is the CEO of FTX.com, Sam Bankman-Fried. So he became thus the savior of the crypto world by lending them the money and saving them from insolvency. But of course, guys, he also mentioned that there are many, many other firms who might become insolvent in the crypto world. And then again, one more bad news surrounding the crypto world, which recently came out, was that the SEC rejected another spot ETF from another firm, Grayscale Investment firm, though the firm tried to sue the SEC, but I don't think it will work. But anyways, if it works, then who knows, maybe SEC approves another spot ETF. Now, all these news, guys, are surrounding the crypto world, and I don't blame SEC, because trust me, who would actually approve such a volatile asset to those who are actually going to retire? People who are actually depending upon the money for their retirement. So I do understand that SEC is not approving these ETFs. Of course, being a crypto investor, I do want that SEC someday does realize the importance of crypto, but much work has to be done in the crypto world. And yes, people who are thinking that Bitcoin might reach $500,000 or $1 million even, that might be a possibility, because once, yes, and this spot ETF plays a really important role, because once this spot ETF, if is approved by the SEC, that would open up the doors for that $1 trillion market, which is just sitting out there in the hands of hedge funds, firms, investment firms who are saving, or who are getting so much money, or who are investing so much money on the behalf of your investment plans, retirement plans, pension plans, and all this stuff. So this spot ETF could get access to all that money out there, and that would mean a lot for the crypto world. But anyways, I don't want to stretch this video too long. All I want to say is, in short term, I do think that we might have a decent correction. This is nothing. I do think that Bitcoin can easily reach to $10,000 to $12,000 level. So like I said in my previous video, when I was talking about Bitcoin technicals, and I was mentioning that I would collect some Bitcoin at $17,000, I did. But now, again, like, I have saved some money in this 1 month or so, and I will be waiting for a much lower level. So I'm not buying any Bitcoin or Ethereum right now, because I do think that there is a possibility for a dip. Now, I'm not trying to catch a falling knife, neither I'm trying to time the market. All I'm trying to say is that there's a lot of stuff going on around crypto, and we can see that crypto has entered into the bear market, and it has just started. Yeah. So that's it, guys. And all I want to say is that in short term, yes, I'm a bear on crypto, but in long term, I'm with all the bulls out there who are investing regularly and have their SIP plans up to date in crypto. So good luck to all of you guys. But like I said, I just wanted to give you guys my opinion, not a financial advisor, and that's all I wanted to share with you guys in this particular video. So I am selling my crypto. No, I'm not, in short. So all I'll be doing is buying more, but when the right time comes. Again, not timing the market, but yeah, I do think that we still have a lot of room to go down further. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and ciao.